Welcome to Six Sigma Online Certifications. We are on the topic Major Phase Basic Statistics Part 1. We are going to talk about central tendency of data. Central tendency is the measure of identifying where the data has center. It is basically used for planning resources, for consistently achieving the center. The resources mean 6 M's, which is man, machine, material, method, measurement system, and mother nature. The central tendency is measured by 3 methods, which is mean, median, and mode. We will discuss about each of these 3 measures one by one. Central tendency mean. Mean is used when the data is uniformly distributed and does not show any abnormal value or trend. It is ratio of the sum of the data and the count of the data. Let's try to understand it a little more. For example, we have 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if we take sum of the data, it is 15, the count of data is 5, and if we divide sum by count, it is called as mean of the data or average of the data. Please open this file 2dices.mtw for better understanding. This file can be downloaded from our website www.leandigit.com. When you download this file, for better understanding, we'll copy this data in Excel. So we go to Excel and copy. This is already copied for us. We'll calculate sum. So the sum of the data is calculated in Excel is SUM equal to select the data range, count is equal to COUNT, count, select the same data range, and the mean value is nothing but average. So we got mean of 6.733. We can also calculate this by using Minitab. You have to just go to Stat, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics. Click on 2-dice sum, go to Statistics. I will request you to click on None so that there is no confusion, and we will just click on Mean so that we take out only mean out of the data. We click OK and click OK. So we find calculating mean is much faster in Minitab, while it can also be calculated in Excel. So this is mean. We understood how to do it in Minitab as well. We go to median. Median is used when data is either not distributed uniformly or shows abnormal values or trends. Median is nothing but the middle value when data is arranged in order, that is increasing or decreasing order. We'll see in Excel. We'll just go arrange this data in order. So data, sort, don't continue with the current selection, sort, 2-dice sum, smallest to largest. Okay, so we got the data arranged 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. So the which one? There are total 15 values. So 15 plus 1 is 16, 8th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. So 8th value. This is exactly in the center. So if we just mark it, this is exactly in the center. So this is median. This is my median. Okay. So I'll just write it. My median by my arrangement of data is 7. Okay. So it is median. In Minitab, we have to just go and we'll just click one more. Stat, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics. We'll go to Statistics and we'll just go to median as well. We'll click on median and we'll see that Minitab will quickly give me median as well. So we'll get mean and median quickly. So it is faster method. Go back to median. Then we go to mode. The third method of central tendency is mode. Mode is used when data is discrete or attribute, like pass, fail, 1, 2, 3, like that. And the mode is called as highest frequency value. So let us try to understand from our Excel data. We see 6 as well as 7 as well as 8. 8 is appearing 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is appearing 4 times, which means my data has mode equal to 4. No, 4, not 4. Mode is 8 and frequency of mode, frequency is 4. Correct? So we got the mode also, because it is 8 is happening maximum times. For Minitab, we'll just go to the Minitab. We have to just now click on Stat, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics. We go to Statistics, we go to Mode, and we click OK. We click OK. We get mode also. Mode is 8 and its frequency is 4. So Minitab is much faster method. We can do, sometimes we did when data is only text data. For example, we have languages. For example, English, Spanish. We have third person again speaking English. We have a person who speaks French. We have another person who speaks English, then English, then English. Looks like but this is not possible by basic statistics. So we'll go to Stat, Tables, Tally individual variables. We'll take languages. We'll say count, and then we will see which is the highest one. So we saw English is 5 times, so English becomes my mode. So this is how we can quickly do in Minitab. So Minitab is a faster method, and we should use Minitab for faster calculations of statistics. Thank you very much for testing your knowledge on this video. Or for Six Sigma certifications, visit leandigit.com. For more updates about online Six Sigma certifications, please click on subscribe button below this video. Thank you.